Good afternoon, everybody. We're in the bus today. We're going to try to get some work done. We did put in these nice subfloors and this nice tarp to keep any moisture from coming up from underneath. But unfortunately, we found out we do have a little bit coming from above here, just along these fasteners, which is kind of bad. So, in an effort to remedy that before it rains again, I'm going to go up on the top and do kind of like a old school roof tar and screen fix for it. So basically you lay down a layer of roof tar, you put the mesh all along the seam you want to seal, and then you lay down another layer of roof tar over top of that, and then that should let it set. And fortunately, worked really well on our house. I don't think it would be much different on a bus like this, so we're going to try that just to give ourselves some serious prevention before we get any more rain or snow this fall, because that can really ruin the whole bus if we don't get that fixed right. So that's what we're going after today. So up to the roof. Alright, so I'm sure because you're very perceptive, you can probably hear in the background these surprise scattered showers, which is the one thing you definitely want when you're fixing your roof. We're going to make the best of it, and as it dries out, I'll get back up there with paper towels, wipe everything down, try to get some tar and mesh down, and then hopefully get it all done in one shot. And then this little storm that's coming later tonight can be a good test for the tar, and we'll see if we have any water inside again. You may remember we did say there were some scattered showers today. Good news is I got all of the big holes and cracks that were in the sealer on top covered with both layers of roofing cement and the plastic mesh between. And the areas that were dripping before were all of these fasteners along here. They are no longer dripping even though they're being poured on. So that's good. And then also the ones on this side This whole thing was soaked because all these fasteners are dripping through here and here. So it is good to see that they are not dripping anymore.